Alright, what's going on? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you what 5,000 miles, I'm sorry, not 5,000, 1,000 miles looks like later with the JLT oil separator. I know I made a video of how to install it, and I said I'm going to show you an update. So let's go ahead and do it right now. So I'm going to hand off my camera to the camera guy, and we're just going to see. So like I said, I'm just exaggerating. It's probably like 800 miles or so, 800, 900, but let's just take a look at it. And keep in mind, I installed this 20,000 miles later, so whatever is now is going to really suck, because I hope it's not a lot. Well, I can kind of tell it's going to be. And by the way, it's freaking hot. I hope I don't drop this thing. It's going to suck. Come on. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Look at all that oil in there. Can you see that? Can you see the camera? I don't know.
Put it closer to the light. I can't see it.
Check that out.
Oh, there you go.
There we go. Look at that. Alright, so I'm going to dump it in. Oh, I shouldn't take out the Aquafina deal.
No, it's fine.
Okay, anyways. Alright, well, let's see how much is actually going to out. Alright, so here we go. Look at all that oil, and this is only 1,000 miles. Jesus. Look at all that. So this is 1,000, imagine 20,000, so it'll probably be filled up like way over here. So yeah, so this thing does actually work. Let's clean it off and put it back on. Thank goodness it's like an easy screw on. Imagine if you had to like unclap this thing, unclap that thing, it would just be a mess. But nonetheless, there you go, you guys. It does a really good job. I highly recommend this product if you haven't gotten it already. And I have more parts coming to this car. Some lights, some shocks in the back to kind of tie up everything in the back. And yeah, just keep in. And I'll see you later.